Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study notes for an exam. Start by actively recalling information. Don't just reread. Instead, try to explain concepts without looking at your notes. Use flashcards to quiz yourself on definitions and key facts. This active engagement strengthens your memory and helps identify areas needing more focus before the exam. Next, implement spaced repetition. This technique involves reviewing material at gradually longer intervals. For example, review a topic after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. This method helps move information from short-term to long-term memory, making recall much easier during your exam. Consistency is key for optimal results. Effective note organization is crucial. Condense your notes into summaries, outlines, or mind maps. This process forces you to identify the most important information and understand how different concepts connect. Aim for a clear, visual representation that you can quickly review. This makes complex topics feel more manageable. Finally, practice applying your knowledge. Work through practice problems, past exam questions, or case studies. This simulates the exam environment and helps you understand how concepts are tested. Don't just memorize, ensure you can use the information. This step reveals any remaining weak spots for targeted review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.